Hi, this is Rachel Chamness at soundwavesheal.com. I'm an Ascension and Lightworker guide, and today we're taking some fast-acting switchword affirmations and turning them into a chant, which will hopefully get you chanting them, singing them, and so that you can bring this to you faster. Today, we are working to lose weight or restore something to your body that you had before. So to restore the figure you once had or to restore something else. You could use this also to restore clear skin or something like that. So the restore, praise, be. Restore is to restore what is lost. Praise is to like your body. And be is for good health. So you can tap them, sing them, dance along with them, repeat them 108 times with your mala beads, or do anything that you'd like. And I'm going to give you a charm chant, as I call them, so that you can sing them to yourself. Restore, praise be. 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 So you don't have to sing to do that. You can do it in any way that you like. It doesn't matter if you sing well or you don't. It's just a matter of repeating the words in any way that you like. And no, you don't have to think about being thinner or having better skin while you listen to it, but you can just say it over and over, because that is how switch words work. They bypass the thinking part of your brain and they go straight into your subconscious. Restore, praise be. Restore, praise be. Restore, praise be. Restore, praise be. Thank you so much for listening. Please find me all over social media at Soundwaves Heal, YouTube, SoundCloud, Instagram, Facebook. Thank you so much.